Hello, everyone. This is Dominique Barbie here, and I just want to do a quick legal disclaimer for everything that is about to be presented to you. We are protecting our members so that we can have a life of freedom and joy. Now, we represent Operation Promised Land, and we are going to show you some life changing information, but I do want to make sure we protect our members so that we can have longevity. Now, the first legal disclaimer is I'm going to go over has to deal with trading profits. Now, trading the foreign exchange market carries high risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Trading on margin and utilizing leverage can carry an even higher level of risk that can lead to a complete loss of investment funds. Before deciding to trade the foreign exchange market, you should carefully and diligently consider your personal investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite, because a possibility exists that you could potentially sustain significant loss. You should not invest or trade any capital that you cannot afford to lose. It is your responsibility to be aware of and understand all risks associated with foreign exchange trading and to seek professional advice from an independent certified financial advisor if you have any doubts whatsoever. For more information, please email support@tradera.org. Now, income claims. All information and income claims that we show you is just for illustration and educational purpose only and is not intended to serve as a guarantee of income or a solicitation. Success in this business requires hard work, dedication, and good sales skills. The average participant or independent business owner in this business earns between $500 and $2,000 per year. Some earn less while some earn much more, okay? And I want to get that out of the way and be very serious about what I'm showing you because I want to protect the members and make sure we all have longevity. All right? Get ready. Stay tuned for some very, very life-changing information.
Hey everybody, I just want to stop by and show you a little proof that our team is winning. As you can see right here in our group, we have someone who has 426 pips. This is awesome, which is very powerful because this could mean $426, $42, or even $42,000. And once you get inside of our group, we will show you exactly what a pip means. Just to let you know, it's money, okay? All right, here's somebody else in the team, 300 bucks. All right, 200 bucks here. This is from learning a skill, okay? Yes, 80 pips right here. Awesome, awesome. This person is building a team as well. We are having new members every day. More pippage. All these pips, baby. If you ever wanted to learn how to trade, now is the time. This is 256 pips. This is more results from people who are having success, all right? So much power, okay? And I just made a post on my wall where I'm doing a case study, okay, and showing people how to really do this, okay? This case study reveals how to gain access to a 6.7 trillion market with this simple loophole, okay? Helped 4 people get a 6K bonus last week, all right? And we are having different webinars to help the team, okay? And on this video, all right, it's going to show you, I was literally live trading this night, catching pips in the middle of the night with a simple strategy. 300, it kept going up. It went up like, well, down. Technically, you see the red candle mean down. It went down like 1,000 pips, okay? And that was live trading, okay? In this group, you'll see a video on that. But my point is, whoever invited you, you definitely need to get with the program, okay? I did not know how to trade Forex in the past years, and I really wanted to learn. I literally gave up on it because I thought it was too confusing, okay? And I had to work through and go through mentors and stuff like that to the point where I gave up. But I'm grateful for TRADERA because it has increased my trading so much where I'm able to literally go, I'm getting ready to withdraw enough to pay for my birthday trip in Cancun. So it's just really life-changing, and you have the opportunity to earn 2 ways. You can learn how to trade, right, yourself, use our secret strategies and the training in the back office as well, or also you can take signals from the company. The company gives you copy and paste signals, or you can do the building side where you can make up to 100,000 plus per month. Okay, and our team literally helps you. We give away signups on our team all the time, and you get paid from people who fall under you, from your sponsor, the people above them, people who fall under you. So it's really, really powerful. So you definitely need to take a serious look if you don't like how your life is going right now, or if it's not good enough for you, maybe this is the change that you need. Everything happens for a reason, and people on our team are getting results every single day. So it doesn't matter whether you are a person who likes to just, do things on your own and be in a quiet environment and just make money, or you love the type of person who likes to help people and want to share something that's life-changing. This is for you. Making money, let's see what it do. Catching the pips, staying in these for a bit. Boom, money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Money, hey, 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 I'll see it. I'm gonna stay in there, I'll update you on these trades.
Hi, my name is Selena Jackson. I am coming with the most phenomenal testimony. This company is off the chain. I have only been in for 9 days and I was able to pay myself $24,000 a year in residual income. Before the week is out, the way my team is growing, I will be at $60K in less than 2 weeks. The trading platform is phenomenal. People are actually learning how to trade.
I've been involved in other training platforms in the past that were kind of difficult to learn, but from what I have looked at, the education program is very, very thorough and more user-friendly, so I'm really excited to get involved in that learning portion of trading Forex. But the other thing that really excites me about this company is the fact that there is a business building side attached to it. So you can build a very strong residual income with this company, just a few people away from ranking to noble, which will be $1,000 a month residual income. So it is a wonderful opportunity, earn while you learn, and get involved in a team that helps each other. Just such an amazing opportunity. So I would highly recommend get in now, get positioned, because timing is of the essence here. We are growing so fast. You're going to love it here. I look forward to seeing you on the inside with us.
Hi, I'm Eugene Mosley, and I'm so glad I joined this team. My sponsor, Shauna Lisa Robinson, has enough fire in her for 10 people. And listening to her, I caught on fire too. It's been the best decision I have ever made. I've been able to hit Noble in less than 30 days. Combine that with Dominique Barbie stretching herself to hit new ranks, giving the team a path to new income levels. All of us on this team can hit our goals and achieve much more than we even thought possible ourselves. The training that we get on this team is outstanding, but the best thing to me that you get is people that truly care about you, your family, your welfare, and your future. We welcome you to join our team today.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Real quick, want to shoot this quick testimonial about TRADERA. Man, the amount of people that's winning this is ridiculous. I've been having so much fun. I've been so excited. I've been so amped. I've been so pumped about this company because I have been doing nothing but winning. And then not only me, my team has been winning. I love it. Man, there's no other company out there right now that I've seen so many people win. If you're looking for a win, this is definitely the place to be. We help people that not only never been online, not only never traded, actually start seeing success. Our success rate is crazy. We help you. You do not have to be alone in this. Never. You don't have to be alone unless you want to be. But you don't have to be alone to actually see a win in this. We help you. We don't take your money and tell you good luck. We tell you welcome and let's get to work. See y'all.
Hey guys, Melissa Cruz here. I'm just dropping by to give a short testimonial on this wonderful company, TRADERA. So I've been in for about a month, and my first 2 weeks, I don't know what I was thinking, but I slept on it. And then I just woke up one morning and said, I need to get going. Guys, the 2-week study guide to trading, phenomenal. Made it easy for a person like me to understand how to trade. And they gave me a daily schedule. I kept going through it. I'm like, wow, this is really simple to understand. And the second side of the business, wow, just amazing. I applied myself. I got my first 3, and then from there, it kept climbing and climbing and climbing. Guys, insane. I ranked up 4 times in 2 weeks. Phenomenal. The leadership here, the qualities, the amazing help that I got. I had no confidence before I came into this business. And now I'm a leader in teaching others how to be a leader. There's no greater feeling than that. And, they really changed my life. I went from having 0 income to $500 a week and getting close to $1,250. Can you imagine? I don't know what I would have done without TRADERA. It's just amazing.